So this is understanding initialized variables. When JavaScript variables are declared, they have an initial value of undefined. Yep. If you do a mathematical operation on the undefined variable, your result will be NaN, which is not a number. Which means not a number. If you concatenate a string with an undefined variable, you will get a literal string of undefined. Okay, so you can't concatenate anything with undefined. Concatenate is adding, okay, right? Initialize the three variables a, b, and c with 5, 10, and I and a respectively, okay? So that they will not be undefined. So initialize a, b, and c variables var a equals 5. No, it says only change the code below, that's wrong. So only change code above. Oh wait, only change code above this line. Okay, so you do that. So equals 5, respectively it said equals 10. Oh, I put 20. Equals I am. So put in a string. I am a. Let's see. Now run test. Okay, it's good. Okay, moving on.